In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Trello boards to Clickup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving to Clickup for its enhanced task management tools or to have all your work in one place, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. You can do this by typing clickup.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with Clickup's homepage, an essential hub for work and productivity. Now, in the homepage's top right corner, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on the login button. If you don't have an existing account, you'll need to sign up, but for today, let's assume that most of you already have an account. After clicking login, a new page will appear with various sign-in options. Choose sign in with Google if you have your Google account integrated with Clickup. It's a straightforward way to log in without entering your credentials again. Next, select the Google account associated with your Clickup setup. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the right one to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to your main Clickup dashboard. On your dashboard, look towards the top left of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a menu, and from this drop down choose Settings. This area houses all the configurations you need for customizing and managing your Clickup experience. In the Settings menu, find and click on Import/Exports. This is your starting point for bringing in your Trello boards. Once here, spot the Start Import button and click it to kick off the import process. A new screen will appear displaying different platforms you can import from. Click on Trello, as that's our focus today. After selecting Trello, you'll need to authorize Clickup to access your Trello account. Simply click Continue to move forward, then allow the permission request. With Trello access granted, return to Clickup where your import continues. Click on Select Space to choose the workspace where your Trello boards will land. This step ensures your imports are organized into the correct work area. Once you've picked the space, move on by clicking Next. You'll have a couple of options to tailor your import. Choose between importing Trello sections as statuses or lists, depending on your preferred workflow in Clickup. Finally, you'll go through a series of Next clicks, confirming your settings and selections. Once you've reviewed everything, click Complete to finish the import. And there you have it, your Trello boards are now part of your Clickup environment, ready for you to manage and optimize your tasks with Clickup's powerful suite of features.